We'll give her a spatula back. It's her spatula.
Oh my god, that was funny. Woo! That was a nice workout for the day, considering I'm sore.
Take me home. Oh, she was gonna choke you.
Don't touch me. Sit.
Oh!
Oh my god. What are you doing? You're hurting my foot, nigger. Hey, Leslie. Don't hit me, Leslie. You see Mom? Stop it! Like it was a football. She goes, oh, don't hit me with that, Mitchell.
No! Enough is enough! Midget.
You're going to get it so bad. Stop!
Lucky I'm wacky with this.
You're lucky. Quit!
That's what sounds the same.
Stop it! I got you like a peach key. Boom!
Boom! Boom! Sorry, I didn't mean to poke you in the... Sebastian, I told you enough was enough. Somebody was gonna get hurt.
Get away, Mitchell!
Somebody was gonna get hurt.
Yeah! Teddy's coming home and he's not going to be happy.
What, for protecting myself?
Oh, after protecting yourself.
Yeah, I told you. Somebody's gonna get hurt. You gotta quit. Quit it!
I'm not watching that. Stop it!
Quit.
Get your hands off of
Quit.
it. You stop it! You tell me! Don't touch me, Mitchell.
Ah.
You can't see.
Alright, let's watch it.
Oh, because you're such a good man. Yeah, let's see. Oh.
Where did it go?
Starts off fun. It always ends violently.
Quit.
Oh.
Well, I don't have to do what I do with her. Give me the spatula.
Put
Put
it
it away.
I don't want to give it to you.
Then you put it away. I hope you don't get a stupid thought.
Oh, like you have every day, 24/7?
Well, I'm gonna hurt you.
You're not touching her.
What the hell?
So I was taking it easy on you.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Where's my phone?
Don't touch me. Mitchell.
Better re-advise yourself. I'm just
Hey,
saying.
advise yourself. Don't slap me and then give me a look for slapping you back.
Check yourself before you'll wreck
Get away
yourself.
from me.
What are you doing, midget?
You stop. Do you understand? Stop. You stop, Mitchell. I'm not playing. Please get out of the grill.
Go away.
Don't tell me go away. Now put your foot in that twat.
Mitchell, that was wrong.
You keep your damn hands
You-
off of me.
Do not
Get your hand up.
hit me with his
Then you better run. Just try. Just try. She's gonna bite you.
What, me?
You're attacking her.
Who is
Did you see Moo?
Got all excited.
I didn't see what Moo
I'm
did.
nervous. She went in to assess the situation and protect somebody.
She went to protect Moo. That's her little pit bull going. Getting in her. Coming out.
Okay. You guys watch Justified? Have you ever seen Justified?